Imagine you are taking a flight somewhere. You are packing your stuff at home and leave to grab a bus to get to the station. Public transport is not ideal, but parking at the airport is even worse. You arrive at a big station and have to switch trains to the airport with all your luggage. When you arrive at the airport, you need to find your organization's booth to check in and drop off your luggage. And of course, there's a big line. After checking in your luggage, you move to the customs to stressfully unpack your items, walk through the gate on socks while holding your pants and trying to keep an eye on your laptop, which just passed through the scanner. You now need to find the right gate and wait for a couple of hours before you can board your plane and finally relax a bit. That is what inter-European travel looks like for most of us. Now imagine you're doing this while sitting in a wheelchair. Using the public transport is not easy for people with reduced mobility. The biggest issue is the transfers between different modes, which often do not connect well. If you're not familiar with the station, this issue only grows because you simply don't know the place. What if you could give everybody a personal assistant? Let me introduce you to Xesúss, your personal travel assistant. Xesúss consists of an aviation-grade chair, an interchangeable seat carrier, a luggage compartment, and a grid which is placed in the vehicle, like a drone. Imagine you go to the pickup point where, depending on the size of the place, there are several chairs waiting for you. When you check in using your fingerprint or passport, the luggage compartment opens up and you can stow your luggage. You can now sit down and use the travel selector to select your preferred travel route and mode out of a number of personalized options. Do you like to have some physical activity? It is possible to cycle the last 10 minutes of your journey, unless you prefer to keep working on that presentation you have coming up. Travel as short or sustainable as possible, or meet up with friends and share a part of your journey. After your travel mode and destination are determined, a seat carrier robot lifts the chair from below and carries it to your chosen mode of transport. In case you have to wait, it's possible to leave the chair and return to it later, as the chair is yours for the rest of your journey. The robot cart now drives you to the drone and enters it through the back. The robot cart puts the chair down and slides it in the slots on the bottom of the floor of the vehicle. After all the passengers have embarked, a security plate locks all the chairs in place, mechanically, so even if the power cuts, it is impossible for the chairs to get loose. The robot carts leave the vehicle and the vehicle is ready for departure. Upon arrival, another robot cart lifts you as you continue your journey. Xesúss is made for everyone, but especially for people with reduced mobility. No more searching for the right gate, booth or where the heck the elevator is in this building. No more awkward lifting of people with reduced mobility when entering a plane. For airlines and companies, Xesúss enables super efficient loading and unloading of the vehicles and a reliable predictability of where and when passengers arrive at their services. The system allows for a super personalized way of travel, as quick, sustainable or as cheap as possible, with or without physical activity, a nice view, friends or strangers. That is truly a product that provides door-to-door personalized transport for everyone.